Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm looking here at the gorgeous model here at the Westcott, and what we're going to do is we're going to walk inside. So I'm showing off just the hallways, how pretty it is, and now we're going to walk inside and take a look. So let's take a look at this beautiful model. It's just very, very delightful. I think you're going to love it. It's got some great views waiting for you too. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful kitchen. The kitchen's just gorgeous. Look at this, just crisp white cabinets, beautiful appliances, really nice backsplash. Oh, it even has that, the vent is pretty. It's a really expensive gas stovetop there. Just gorgeous. Just really crisp, clean, beautiful. It's got a wide living room here that's pretty, and I love it because there's a lot of space. There's not only space here for these for bar stools, 3, maybe even 4, but then there's table space so you can have a lot of people in here. A really pretty area in here in general. And then you've got a nice balcony here too. So this balcony is perfect. It's great. Now in this case, it's overlooking the pool. Or the pool's on the 4th floor. We're on the 5th floor right now looking at this. Super, super pretty. Just a really gorgeous apartment. Hey, we're going to do one more video here because we're going to now go into the bedroom and bath of the Westcott here. If you have any questions about what you're seeing though, or if you're ready to do a virtual tour of the open availability here at the Westcott, send me a text. Use my number. That's my number below.